My name is Peter Harris. I'm the Vice President of International Sustainability at UPS. As an organisation, we have a goal to be carbon neutral by 2050, and a key part of that goal is the electrification of our last mile fleets. So the fleets that you see here, the vehicles that operate every day in pretty much every urban city around the world. The EFLES project that we're completing today has taught us how to use AI as a tool to optimise our power supply infrastructure and energy supply systems. And by doing that, we can minimise the cost of those systems and therefore maximise the rate at which we can deploy electric solutions.
My name is Pantelis Stefas. I'm an assets and technology engineer. So one of the biggest success of this project is that we are supporting UPS to adopt EVs in a quicker way and sustainable and cost-effective way, and also the fact that we support the client to meet their sustainability targets. UKIP, our network services, is a solution provider. So we start by providing consultancy in terms of how they can address their challenges, and we design bespoke solutions which meet their requirements.
The future for UPS is carbon neutrality by 2050, but via a series of aggressive milestones, 2025 and 2035 on the way. The EFLES project, together with our partnership with Arrival, unlock that possibility.